Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone iOS 18.1. So the voice isolation feature will block ambient noises in order to make your voice clearer during a phone call or a FaceTime call. And in order to turn this feature on, we will first have to be in a live phone call. So for this, I just tap on WhatsApp and then here at the bottom, I have this call button. Just tap on it. Then in the search bar, search for that contact to whom you want to call. So here I just search for this contact and then I just make sure that I have on a call. Once you are on a live call, then scroll up from the right side of the screen. Then at the top, you have the option of WhatsApp's control. Click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of voice isolation. Just click on it. Now the iPhone will prioritize your voice while reducing the ambient sounds around you, making your voice loud and clear during phone calls. So this is how you can turn on voice isolation on iPhone iOS 18. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.